Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and I'm extremely excited to talk about a new feature on Alignable, which is called Groups. They did a lot of research on it. I was honored to be part of the input on the development of this, and they now have a separate add-on feature called Groups, which is different from group messaging, which they had before, and this will be built out further in 2021. I also put a number of links from Alignable to learn more about it, which they'll be updating too. But let's start with, where do you find this to see if you've been added to a group? Also look for invitations to join groups. They have special categories, special groups, supporting all types of aspects of industry and areas. So watch out for messages from Alignable. So when you click on your profile in the upper right hand corner, there's a little down arrow. So click the down arrow, and then from there you'll see My Groups. My Groups is a category, and click on My Groups. Now, in the rare event this doesn't show up yet for you, it may be rolling out, but most of the people I've talked to already have this. So click My Groups, and then it will show the groups that you're currently in or have been automatically added to. Check them out. There's a group for the Raleigh area for me, 1,900 members, and just know that you can get in there, be a contribution, don't be a spammer, and learn about it. Then I'm honored to be part of the Alignable Local Leaders Group, and then the Alignable VP Leaders Group. So watch, you'll see invites to it and other opportunities for being involved in it. Make sure that you're adding value to the group, not just promoting something. So I'm going to also show you can create a group. Because Alignable didn't have groups, and I wanted to create a group of people on Alignable committed to helping each other learn and use Alignable, I created such a group on Facebook. Now I'm going to submit to create a group like that on Alignable. So I'm going to show the current process. Remember, this is evolving, of creating a group. And please don't just go create a group for no reason. Be part of, learn what's there. And I've been involved with groups with thousands of people. Groups require management. They require oversee. Don't just create something. You will get more out of being a positive contribution to an existing group than create one. Everyone thinks, oh, you need to be the owner of the group. I've seen many people gain more business by being an added value contributor to a group than creating their own group. Go ahead and click this. See, create a new group. Create a new group. Click that. And then a name. I'm going to basically duplicate what I have over on Facebook. So there we go. I'm about to create it. I've updated my title. I put a description in here, and I got a picture. I've chosen to make it private for members to communicate. Open, anyone can join or be invited, and anyone can contribute. So this is creating a group. I'm going to go ahead and now click create this group. Now I'm in my new group, and I want to invite people to it. I've already invited 3, but I want to show you the process here. So if you see this little area here, it says invite members right here. Click that, and then I can put in their name. So then I'll invite Whitney Hill to it there. I also have a link down here. I can copy, share this invite link, and that gives me a unique link. If you look up here, that's what it is, to invite them to. But I'm going to go ahead and invite Whitney to this group. Now he'll get a notification telling him he was invited to this group. And of course, what I want to do before I invite anyone else is start building it out with relevant content on the topic to set the tone of the group. There's much more we can cover. Please see the other links referenced here. This is Martin Brossman, and that completes this tutorial. Look forward to connecting with you on Alignable, and let's work together to grow our businesses and utilize all the great resources of Alignable. Have a great day.